Water is essential for life, but how we drink it can significantly impact our health. Dr. Fedor Grigorovich, a Russian doctor who lived to be over 100 years old, uncovered powerful yet simple ways to drink water for maximum health benefits. By following his advice, you could notice improvements in just a week. Let's explore these 8 secrets and see how they can transform your health. Secret number 1, drink water before bed. Drinking water an hour before bed is not just about quenching thirst. It's a way to support your body's natural healing processes. While you sleep, your body enters repair mode, rebuilding tissues, processing nutrients, and detoxifying. Water aids these tasks by helping your kidneys filter out toxins accumulated during the day and maintaining hydration levels for cell repair. Why it matters. Dehydration at night can disrupt these processes, leaving you feeling groggy or less refreshed in the morning. Staying hydrated ensures your body functions optimally overnight. Drink 1 glass of water, around 200 to 250 milliliters, about an hour before sleeping. This timing helps your body absorb the water without interrupting your rest with bathroom trips. Secret number 2, sip water gradually throughout the day. Chugging large amounts of water at once might seem effective, but it can overwhelm your kidneys and disrupt electrolyte balance. Dr. Grigorovich emphasized sipping water gradually throughout the day to maintain consistent hydration, which supports your organs, brain function, and energy levels. Why it matters. Sudden water intake can strain your body, while slow sipping ensures better absorption and steady hydration. Even mild dehydration can cause fatigue and impair concentration. Keep a reusable water bottle within arm's reach and take small sips every 15 to 30 minutes. If you're forgetful, set hourly reminders to hydrate. Secret number 3, avoid cold water. While cold water may feel refreshing, it can have drawbacks. Cold water can shock your digestive system, forcing your body to expend energy warming it to your core temperature. This slows digestion and may lead to discomfort like bloating. Why it matters. Warm or room temperature water is gentler on your digestive tract and supports smoother nutrient absorption. It also helps maintain stable body temperature and improves blood circulation. Opt for warm or room temperature water, especially with meals. If you're accustomed to cold water, try switching gradually and observe improvements in digestion and overall comfort. Secret number 4, limit water. During meals, Dr. Grigorovich advised minimizing water intake during meals to prevent dilution of stomach acids, which are crucial for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. Drinking too much water while eating can interfere with digestion and leave you feeling heavy or bloated. Why it matters. Strong stomach acid ensures efficient digestion. Diluting it reduces its effectiveness, leading to indigestion and nutrient deficiencies over time. Drink water 30 minutes before or an hour after meals. If you must drink during meals, limit yourself to a few small sips to satisfy a thirst without disrupting digestion. Secret number 5, customize water intake based on your weight. Hydration needs aren't one size fits all. Dr. Grigorovich proposed a simple formula. Multiply your body weight in kilograms by 30 to 40 milliliters to determine your daily water requirement. For instance, someone weighing 70 kilograms should aim for 2.1 to 2.8 liters per day. Why it matters. This personalized approach ensures you stay adequately hydrated without overhydrating, which can flush out essential minerals. Calculate your ideal water intake and track it for a few days using a water tracking app or journal. Adjust based on your activity level, environment, and how your body feels. Secret number 6, hydrate before exercise. Prehydration is crucial for physical performance. Drinking water before exercise prepares your muscles, reduces the risk of cramps, and maintains electrolyte balance, helping you sustain energy throughout your workout. Why it matters. Dehydrated muscles tire easily and are prone to injury. Prehydration ensures optimal circulation and prevents early fatigue. Drink a small glass of water, around 200 milliliters, 20 to 30 minutes before starting any physical activity. Avoid drinking excessively to prevent discomfort during exercise. Secret number 7, drink slowly and mindfully. How you drink water can be as important as how much you drink. Drinking too quickly can overwhelm your digestive system and cause bloating. Dr. Grigorovich advocated for slow, mindful sipping to allow your body to absorb water more effectively. Why it matters. Mindful hydration ensures water is distributed evenly throughout your body, enhancing cellular function and avoiding discomfort. Whenever you drink water, take small sips and focus on the act of drinking. This not only aids hydration but also fosters a sense of mindfulness, reducing stress. Secret number 8, choose clean, high-quality water. Not all water is created equal. Impurities, chemicals, and contaminants in unfiltered or low-quality water can strain your organs and weaken your immune system. Dr. Grigorovich stressed the importance of drinking clean, mineral-rich water to support overall health. Why it matters. High-quality water provides essential minerals like calcium and magnesium, which are vital for bone health, muscle function, and energy production. Invest in a reliable water filter or choose bottled spring water. Test your tap water for contaminants if you're unsure of its quality, and avoid unfiltered sources if they're questionable. Bonus tip: start your day with water. After hours of sleep, your body is naturally dehydrated. Starting your morning with a glass of water rehydrates your cells, flushes out toxins, and jumpstarts your metabolism. Why it matters. Morning hydration sets the tone for your day, improving focus, energy, and digestion. Drink a glass of water immediately after waking up, even before coffee or breakfast. Add a slice of lemon for an extra boost of antioxidants and flavor. By incorporating these simple yet powerful habits into your daily routine, you'll likely notice better energy, mental clarity, and improved digestion. Dr. Grigorovich's timeless advice proves that even small, mindful changes can make a big difference. Which tip will you try first? Tell us in the comments. Also, share this video with your friends and start your hydration journey today.